In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. The WordPress dashboard or WordPress admin dashboard is the section through which you can customize and manage your WordPress website. This is a very basic but important topic. This will be very helpful in case you're having difficulty accessing your WordPress login page. So let's dive right in. Now, to understand how you can log into your WordPress admin dashboard, we will use this website as an example. Now you can see we have a website over here. This is a WordPress website. So in order to access the admin dashboard of this WordPress website, we have to first visit the WP admin login page or WP login page. To do that, what we have to do is go to the URL bar over here, and we can see the URL of our website. And right at the end of our WordPress website's URL, we're going to add a /. After that, we're going to add in WP-admin or WP-login.php. So we are going to choose WP admin and then hit enter on keyboard. Now this will bring us to this page. Here we can add in our username or email address and then password, and finally click on the login button to log into our WordPress admin dashboard. Now these credentials were already created when you created your WordPress website. Now we're going to add in our username and password. After adding your username and password, you can also see there's a checkbox over here that says remember me. Now if you click on it and click on login, what your browser will do is save these credentials as a cookie. So the next time you visit this page, you don't have to insert your username and password. But for security reasons, we always deselect this. Then we are going to click on the login button and then wait for it to log us into our WordPress admin dashboard. And here we are. This is the WordPress admin dashboard of our WordPress site. You see how easy that was. Now what to do in case you forget your password. So let's log out. We're going to hover our mouse over here and click on log out. All right, we have logged out of our WordPress website. Now, if you forget your password, what should you do? Usually there's a lost your password option over here. So if you forget your password, you can click on it and it will ask you to add in your username or email address. In this case, you have to enter your username or email address, and an email will be sent to your email address through which you can reset your password. So that's one way to recover your website in case you forget your password. But what will you do if you forget both username and password? In that case, you can contact your hosting provider and they can help you log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Which brings us to our next point. There's another way through which you can actually log into your WordPress admin dashboard and you don't even have to add in your username or password. And that is through your hosting panel. Now, some hosting providers actually provides you with options through which you can directly log into your WordPress admin dashboard. We're going to take a look at an example over here. So this is a cPanel of our website. Normally, your hosting provider will provide you with some kind of cPanel through which you can manage your hosting and other options. Now, depending on what kind of system you're using, the interface might be different and the settings might be different. But in our case, we're using a general cPanel, and I'm going to show you how you can log into your WordPress admin dashboard through your cPanel. So what we're going to do is scroll down, and in the software section, we have a WP Manager software provided by our hosting provider. So we're going to click on it, and over here we can see our websites, and we can also see there's an option to log in. So we're going to click on login, and it's going to log us in directly to our website. Now, what if you want to log in as a different user? Not the admin, but a different user. So normally there's a register option over here. So you can click on register and you can register to this website by adding your username and email address. And once the admin approves of your registration, you will be registered to this website. Then an email will be sent to you in the email address that you have provided. From that email, you can set your password and then use those same credentials to log into the WordPress dashboard. But in case you don't have this option, you can ask the site admin to register you to this website. So the admin can register you, then the admin will email you with some necessary steps through which you can change your password, and then you can log in as that different user. So these are the different ways through which you can log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Now, to summarize, to access your WordPress admin dashboard right after your site's URL, add /wp-admin to access the WP login page. After that, add in your username and password and click on the login button to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Now, if you're wondering if others can access your WP login page in the same way, yes, they can. Now, this can be a security threat. In that case, you can change or customize your WP login URL. How you can do that? Well, we have a tutorial on this topic that you can watch. We will put the link of that tutorial in this video's description in case you want to learn how to do it. So that brings us to the end of this video. We hope that it was helpful for you guys. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.